So after the recent updates made in Canva, now making half-face typography image is more easier, and let me show you how. So I will go to uploads and I will use this image, and this is the image of SRK or Shah Rukh Khan, and I am making it bigger. Let's make it like this. Okay, and this picture looks a bit pixelated, as you can see. So first I will go to edit and I will scroll all the way down to find image upscaler, and here I will use 8x and click on upscale. So as you can see, our image is upscaled, and I will click on replace. So the image is also replaced. Now let me show what is the latest update which came here. So I will click on BG remover. So there is a eraser tool which is now available in the Canva, which was not available till the October update. So I will click on that and click on magic eraser, and it will take me to this panel, and I will make the brush size smaller to 10, and I will zoom the image, and now I will just increase the brush size and just cover these parts also. So now I will click on erase. So it is done, as you can see. So click on this cross button, okay, and click on duplicate page, and here it is duplicated, as you can see. So in the first page I will just crop it here. Second page I will also do the same, okay, and in the second page I will just come here, and in the background I will select here, and I will select here this one, and after that I will just come here and select this circular gradient, okay, and I will select something in this light blue, okay, and click on outside so that the image is selected here. Now in the first page I will select on this text, click on add a heading, and here I will write they call him king, okay, and now after writing that I will come to font here, and here I will select Anton and bring it here and select in this advanced settings and decrease the line spacing, and after that work on this alignment, make it left aligned, and after that bring it here and make it bigger. Now I will work on the letters in such a way that this king is bigger and this they call him is smaller. So I will work on it accordingly, and I will just select here 184, and for this king I will use 238, okay, and I will just decrease the transparency so that I can check the eye length here. Use the keyboard keys to adjust it, and now Ctrl A to select all of them and move both of them here so that both of them are selected here, and now select this one, copy it and paste the image here so that the same level is maintained. Now just delete it from here and increase the transparency of the text, and now I will click on share, click on download, make sure both the file type are in JPG, and for the quality increase it to 100, and make sure you download both the pages. Now after the downloading is done, click on add page, just remove the background, re-upload both the images. keep them separated. Okay, and now come to apps here, right here blend image, and use the first app, and make sure the blend mode is in screen. If you have any other mode selected, make sure you change it to screen before working on it. And for the bottom layer, I will select this typography one, click on use selected image, and for the top layer I will use this portrait. Okay, so this is the look, and I will click on add page and click on add to design. Okay, and I will just bring it here, make it bigger, and I will select the image from here and just paste it here, crop it till here. Okay, so for another effect, let's come to elements here, right here crown, and I will use this one, click on see all, and let's use this one and just make it smaller and slightly tilt it, and make sure you keep it over G. Okay, just zoom it so that you can work on it properly. And now your design is ready. So you can make designs like this easily in Canva, and you can make effects like this half face typography and make beautiful posters out of it. So hope you like this tutorial, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorials like this. Thank you.